Hello guys, in this video we want to show you how to get easily to the city center of Bangkok from the international airport by using the airport rail link. You need to go down to the B floor, the basement. The easiest way to get here is using the escalators. Just follow the signs until you reach the ticket machines. We are going to use the blue city line. This blue line will bring us to the BTS Sky Train. From there you can switch to almost any destination in the city center. The fare price for a single journey is 45 baht. Now let's enter the station by using the token. This airport line is operating until midnight, starting from 6 a.m. The ride with the airport rail link is going to take around half an hour. At the final stop, Phata Thai, you need to switch to the BTS Sky Train. The Sky Train is going to bring you to your destination in the city center. You need coins in order to get a ticket at the ticket machines. You can get coins at the information desk. Enjoy your trip to Bangkok. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe or leave a comment.